to the Powersteam Ultra's advanced triple-action cleaning system, descaling your iron is now a simple and straightforward process. The combination of a self-clean function, high-powered shot of steam and built-in anti-calc feature helps you to keep your iron in tip-top condition for the best ironing results. When you need to clean the iron, here is how it's done. Water will pour out of the sole plate, so set aside a large bowl to collect it. Then fill the reservoir to the max, slide the steam control to off, turn the temperature control to max, and sit the iron on its heel. Plug the iron in and wait until the light goes out. Get your large bowl and position under the sole plate. When you're ready, press the steam button 3 times, then press and hold down the self-clean button. Move the iron to and fro directly above your bowl with the sole plate facing down. At this point, water and steam will wash scale through the sole plate. When the water stops pouring, release the self-clean button, unplug the iron and sit it on its heel to cool. The descaling of your Powersteam Ultra is now complete. Created to speed up ironing from start to finish, the Powersteam Ultra is perfect for getting through the most daunting pile of ironing. We have focused on developing our most powerful steam iron to help you get your ironing done faster. With 3,100 watts of power, our Powersteam Ultra iron heats up quickly, and its specially designed ceramic sole plate helps you glide through the toughest creases to leave your clothes wrinkle-free. Our tapered precision tip with button grooves lets you get into those awkward bits of fabric around fastenings to give a professionally ironed finish. The Powersteam Ultra features a large 350ml water tank that will deliver a powerful 210-gram burst of steam. It also has a built-in triple-action cleaning mechanism, which thoroughly cleans the iron, prolonging its life and giving you maximum performance every time. Whether you enjoy ironing or you hate it, you'll love the power, speed and fresh pressed results of the Russell Hobbs Powersteam Ultra.